Okay, here's Louie and a feather toy. Whoops, sorry, babe. Okay, we're gonna retrieve. We're gonna retrieve here. Ready, Louie? Ready? Whoops. He's weak, but he's okay. Ready? Go. Good boy, Louie. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That tail's coming up. Ooh, look at that tail. Good boy. Good boy. That was really good, Louie.
That was awesome. You're gonna let go? You're gonna leave it?
What do you say to him to let him release it?
Release word, but I don't want to show you how you make a dog release because it's Louie, so he can hold on to it.
What do you usually do to make them release? Seriously.
We're being recorded, so I'm not going to say.
Okay.
Hi. Who's got the bird? Who's got the bird? Who's got the bird? Wouldn't it be awesome if you put it like someone, or you or someone puts a master hunter on him someday?
You could put it on.
Oh no.
I'd have to learn how.
Good job, Louie.